Hello everyone, in my this video tutorial I will tell you about how you can perform the virus scan in your device Redmi 10A. So if in this device, if you want to perform the virus scan or if you want to make your device virus free or you want to scan it, you can do this by the few steps as I will show you in my this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now just follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how to perform a virus scan in your device. Let's watch it.